Google's new AI Studio update is insane. Google just pushed an update to AI Studio that changes how you build apps. They plugged Nano Banana straight into it. So now when you build an app, the AI makes the images for you. Custom images, made on the spot. While your app is being built, you don't open another tool. You don't go find stock photos. You don't pay a designer. The AI just does it. And that's not the only thing. They also redesigned the edit tool. Now you can click on any part of your app. You can drag things. You can swap images. You can write notes on the screen and the AI fixes it. It's visual. You see the change before it happens. No more typing long prompts and hoping it works. This is a big shift. I want to walk you through what changed, why it matters, and how to actually use it. Stick with me. By the end, you'll know exactly what to build first. Let me back up for a second. Google AI Studio is a free tool from Google. You go to the site, you type what you want. It builds you a working app, real app, web-based. You can share the link. People can use it. It's been around for a bit. But here's what was missing. The images were rough. You'd build a beautiful app and then the pictures inside it looked like clip art or placeholder boxes or stock photos that didn't match. You had to leave AI Studio, go to a different image tool, make the picture, download it, upload it back. Slow, annoying. Nano Banana is built in. Nano Banana is Google's image AI. It's the one everyone has been talking about for months. It makes images that look real. Edits images with simple words. You say change the shirt to blue and it does it. It keeps the face the same. It keeps the style the same. It just changes what you asked. So when you build an app in AI Studio now, Nano Banana is making every image you need. Hero image, a product photo, an icon, a team picture, custom, all matching your app, done while the app builds itself. Think about what that means. You type, build me a landing page for an iProfit boardroom. The AI builds the page. While it builds, Nano Banana makes a logo for the business, makes a hero image of someone at a desk, makes icons for each feature, all in your style, all matching, ready to go. Before this, you'd build the app, get junk images, then spend 2 hours fixing them. Now it's done. Go. On prompt. Real images. Let me show you what this looks like for something useful. Want a landing page for a new product. You type the prompt. The page builds. The hero image is made by Nano Banana. The product photos are made by Nano Banana. The icons are made by Nano Banana. You hit publish. That's it. Say you want a simple booking page for your service. The AI builds it. Nano Banana makes a friendly photo for the top, makes an icon for each service, makes a small image for the about section. You change the words to match your business. You publish. People can book you that day. This is the part most people miss. The images used to be the slow part. Now let's talk about the new edit tool. This is the second big change. And honestly, this is the one I think changes the most for normal people. Before, if you wanted to fix something in your app, you had to type. You'd say make the button green. The AI would do it, but sometimes it would change other stuff too. Or it would change the wrong button. Or you'd have 5 buttons and you couldn't tell the AI which one you meant. Now you click the button. You see a little menu. You change the color. You see it happen on the screen. No long prompt. No guessing. No, did it work? You can also draw on your app, like with a pen. You circle a part you don't like. You write, make this bigger. The AI sees what you circled. Only changes that part. Moves. That's huge. You can swap images too. Click the image. Pick a new one. Or tell Nano Banana to make a new version. Or upload your own from the same screen without leaving the app. This makes building apps feel like editing a photo. Point. Click. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to know how to write good prompts. You just look at your app and fix what looks off.